Hi friends. My name is Anthony. How are you coping with the school closure? What have you been doing during this period of stay at home? I hope you are keeping yourself engaged with online lessons. Today, my grandma and I will teach you how to prepare some foods. Grandma, please say hello to my friends.
Hello, children.
All right. Friends, stay tuned. Today you are going to learn about methods of cooking food. So Grandma, let's move to the kitchen.
Okay, Anthony.
All right, friends. We're in the kitchen now. We are going to teach you methods of cooking food. Stay tuned and be attentive. All right. We will start by telling you what food is.
Food is any nutritious substance that people or animals eat or drink to stay alive and remain healthy.
Examples of foods are
Rice, beans, yam, plantain, indomie, bread. Now, methods of cooking food.
Number 1. Boiling.
This is the act of cooking food with water. Boiling requires water.
When boiling food, the water has to cover the food you are boiling.
Now look at these corns in the pot. They are being boiled. When you put water inside a pot, put in your food, then put the pot on fire. This method is called boiling.
There are many food you can boil. I am going to list them as we proceed. Number 2. Frying.
Frying is the process of cooking food in hot oil.
We have 2 types of frying. Number 1.
Deep frying.
Deep frying is a cooking method whereby the food in oil is covered by the oil.
When you cook food using hot oil, and the oil covers the food you are cooking, we call it deep frying method. Just like what we have right here. Here is a food. The method used in cooking this food is known as deep frying method. As you can see, the oil covers the food.
There are many food you can use deep frying method. I am going to list them as we proceed. The next type of frying is
Shallow frying.
Shallow frying is when the food in oil is not covered by the oil.
Just like what we have here. You first heat your pan on fire, pour in oil. Can you see the oil? All right. Then put your egg in the pan and start frying. This method is known as shallow frying. This is because the oil does not cover the egg.
The next method of cooking is roasting.
Roasting food means to expose food to heat. In an oven. Or over a fire. For a long time.
There are different kinds of food we can roast. Let's look at one of them.
These are chickens. Being roasted. Over a fire.
You can roast food in an oven or over a fire. Now let's look at some of the foods that can be cooked using boiling method.
Rice. Beans. Egg. Plantain. Soup. Yam. Beef, potato.
Let's look at some foods that can be cooked using frying method.
Egg. Plantain. Yam. Chicken. Potato.
Let's look at some foods we can cook using roasting method.
Fish. Chicken. Plantain. Corn.
All right, friends. I believe you have now known the methods of cooking food. And I believe you enjoyed the lesson. Please subscribe to Joyful Achievers International YouTube channel.
Subscription is free.
Goodbye.